This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. You will enjoy touring this classic colonial home west/large front porch centrally located to all of today's conveniences. Fully restored in 2021, this home has all of today's modern conveniences that home buyers enjoy, including large formal rooms, LVP flooring, open kitchen concept west/granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tiled floor and backsplash, a true first floor bedroom west/hall full bath, large walk-in laundry room west/washer/dryer, first floor den of office space west/built-ins, primary suite west/walk-in closet, a sitting area west/a deep double closet, primary tiled bath west/walk-in shower, double sink vanity, finished third floor that can be used as a children's room or media room. All of the mechanics in this home have been replaced, including HVAC, electrical, plumbing and windows. Detached garage has a workshop west/electricity. You're centrally located to interstates, naval bases, breweries, dog parks, restaurants and shopping. Seller's current flood insurance premium is $700. For more information, review the details below.